Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the mess kit or the mess tin with some accessories. Usually, also before, this is an actual mess kit. Here's the guy's name. Anyways, so this would be usually how it would look. How to open this thing would be, this would actually be shut tight, and you would just pry this open, and it'll look like this. Then you use this hole, you open this, put this hole in onto this lock. Then you have a little makeshift table to separate your food. Then we have the knife, the butter knife. It's a butter knife, not an actual knife. The spoon and the fork. And you wouldn't want to put these in the same thing, because if you do, it'll make a lot of noise, because it's from the same, metal, and metal makes a lot of noise, and it'll give away your position. So some soldiers would wrap them in cloth, or like some type of fabric, and then put them in there to muffle the noise, or not even make noise at all. Or they would put their stuff in their pockets, like the fork and the spoon and the knife, so they could separate them so they wouldn't make noise. There are other things that go with this kit. There's the burner that you would cook maybe like food or coffee. It was made for really a lot of soldiers were burning coffee because they wanted to stay awake in the middle of the night, because you don't want to sleep and die in the middle of Germany or Japan. And this was given out to American soldiers, so that means all American soldiers. Air Force wasn't invented yet, or made a group. So there was Army, Marines, and Navy that used these, and airborne and like specialized troops in the Army and the Marine Corps that use these. There are also another version. It's like your canteen, but it's just half of it, and it comes with a little hook. I don't have it right now, but when I get it in the future, I will notify you guys and post it with this, like a little part 2. And that's really it for the mess kit. I hope you guys enjoyed, and girls enjoyed my video. And alright, see ya.